silver, gold, GDX, Gdxj, SILJ. What a way to start a video, eh? Anyway, are we in the start of a boom, or is this the start of a long-term bull market? Or is this the start of the next deflationary period? And we're going to come all crashing down and you're going to lose all your money. What's going on? Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. Hope you guys are doing well. If you enjoy these videos, just put in the comments, I love this. And just put in the comments just that. Hit the subscribe button, bell buttons, and all that sort of down home country goodness. Silver and gold in miners. Is it the start of a boom, or is it the start of a crash? What's going on right now with these markets? And that's what I want to share with you right now, of what's really going on all around these markets. And we can see that if I look at my screen through here. All right, let me actually go to this screen here. And what I want to do is I want to bring up just this chart here, because this is the most important chart. Now, I had someone contact me on Facebook recently, and they said, John, I watch your videos every single day. And I love them, and they're amazing, and da. He said, but, and there's the but, forget everything else he just said, right? I love you, but I'm breaking up with you. You're so amazing, but this is incredible, but and so he was saying that, hey, John, what do you think is going to happen with the GDX and Gdxj? Then he went on and said that, hey, I've been watching this other guy also long term, and I got his newsletter and blah blah blah. And then he comes to me and asks for help. I'm like, are you kidding me right now? Are you beeping kidding me? Beeping kidding me? Beep 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 beep. Right? It's like, seriously. You say you watch all my YouTube videos, which I tell you what's likely to happen long term, what I believe is going to happen long term. But I also say that, hey, not any given one position should destroy your account. And it sounds like there's a lot of people out there putting a lot of money into this one trade or two trades. That's not the way to go, guys. One or two positions and then have all your money in this one or two positions is never the way to go. You will destroy your long-term success in the markets. Guaranteed. So, what do we have on the long term here? So, firstly, when that guy had contacted me, then he said, I've been following this other guy news. It's like, John, I've been following you, and I've been following this other guy, and I got his newsletter, and I've been training based on what he said, but I need your help. Like, don't ask me for help, like, because you're not even listening to me. And so I responded to him. I gave him some feedback based on what I thought about his situation. And then he come back with all this other BS about, yeah, I know what you mean, but. Right? And then so I then said, lesson number one. When someone tells you something who does well from trading, and they tell you something, listen. And so right now we can see that there's a lot of people out there that are in the same situation where they're hoping and praying and hoping and praying. Never hope and pray with this situation, right? You get into a trade, there is no hope and pray. There is, okay, most of these trades I get into are going to make a profit. The biggest mistake that this guy was making, who contacted me, was the biggest mistake that he's making is he's just getting in because he thinks it's a good idea. Oh, the US dollar is going to crash and they're going to keep printing more money, and that's going to send the GDX up. It's like, you see all these ifs. It's interesting. I was talking with my private clients today as we're trading. We're in 3 amazing trades right now, all amazing trades. And you know, one of the private clients said, so John, what are your thoughts based on da. And I said, well, my thought is, if there's a chart and it has my trading pattern, I trade it. That's it. And he goes, oh, okay. Right? And same with you guys. If you're trading these markets, I mean, you're trading them, then make sure that you are using some sort of a pattern, okay? And not just guessing. If you're investing long term, then you buy and hold and you look for these swings. So what do I think is going on right now? Silver, gold, mining stocks. Is it the start of a crash or start of a boom? So if I look at the weekly charts here on GDX, I can see that we've had a massive move to the upside from 20 all the way up to 65. Just pretty much a vertical move. And right now, as I speak, hoka-ching! Did you see the sound effects? If you get the TC2000, which I have, and then if you pay them a little bit extra, every time you put a trend line there, it'll go hoka-ching! Right? No, it doesn't do that. I'm just joking. So we could see this here, right? So we could see back here, this previous high point back here is right here. Now, firstly, the rule number one for you and also for my private clients is where is the trend on the master time frame? I always say that to my private clients. The master time frame is the weekly chart. If you're trading the daily charts, it is. If you're trading intraday charts, say you trade in the 5-minute chart, then it's the 15-minute chart. If you're trading the 15-minute chart, the master time frame is the 60-minute chart. If you're trading the daily chart, the master time frame is the weekly chart. Master time frame trumps all. Okay? So where is the trend on the master time frame? Well, let's have a look at this here. We have a move down, as you can see. But then let's have a look here. Then we have even wrong color, John. Wrong color. Green, right? And then we have even a bigger move to the upside. So if I had to ask you, we had this selling leg here. It started this point right here and then finished here. And then we had a buying leg that started here and ended here. Which one do you think is more dominant, more stronger out of this selling leg and the buying leg? Well, of course, the buying leg, right? We went straight down and then straight up, but the up leg was so much stronger. But look what's happening now. What is going on right now? And you apply this analysis to all the market, okay, guys? Master time frame. What is your master time frame? Big key secrets. Big key secrets. Like we're in one trade right now, have been for a week, and it's just going with the trend, going with the master time frame. So let's have a look at this here. Where's my red? There's my red. Look at this here. A little small pullback. Now, question. Are we getting this strong sellers or are we getting a bit of a weaker sellers? Oh, interesting. So who's in control through here? The buyers. Why? Because we had this selling leg and now a lot more dominant buying, and then we're getting a little bit of a weak pullback. Upward trend. What is that? Oh, that's probably higher highs and higher lows. So we have that, along with recent resistance is now becoming support. And then alongside of that, I'm not saying that it's definitely going to hold here, but alongside of that, we have a major low to high point. So even if we did drop down a little bit more, or actually there we go, right? I just noticed this. Look at this. This level back here, this actual whole level, this whole sort of $50 level on the Gdxj that is indeed a major support level. So to me, long term, short term, guys, if you're short term hoping this is going to go up, you're in the wrong position, right? Because short term, we still could have a bit of a pullback down to 50, maybe even down to 45, and it's still being a very nice big bull market. Big bull markets have big bull trends. Big bull trends have pullbacks. Pullbacks can last down to the 50% retracement before it continues again. You must understand these things. So when we're looking at this market through here, remember, what's the master time frame? The master time frame is the lion, right? They're the lions. The lions are going out there and doing their thing. We're just the little birdies. Where's the lion? Did they kill the prey? Let's go get some meat. Let's run away, right? Master time frame here. Little pullback. So I believe soon we're likely to start to turn around. So if I go have a look at the GDX, same sort of situation on the GDX. Actually, you can see, look at this back here. Look what happened back here on the GDX this time. GDX had a resistance here. Once it broke, look what happened. It actually came down to the support and then bounced off. This is where the Gdxj is right now. Now it's having just a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, it's a little bit of a pullback. That's it. Okay. Let me say that again. A little bit of a pullback. That's it. I don't believe this is the end of the trend. No, this is just a nice pullback, guys. Nice, healthy pullback. Okay, and so once again, if we go from the ultimate low point to the ultimate high point, we can clearly see that this could actually continue down to this level through here and still be okay in this overall big booming market. SILJ, or should I say the SIL, same sort of thing, just a pullback, guys. Overall pullback for many weeks to come. SIL, same thing, even though we dropped out of this channel. Okay, well, let's have a look at this here. Let's actually draw, we have trend line from there to there. Let's actually draw this from here to here. So I'm just trying to get some trend lines in place to see where we are at. We had this major resistance up here, didn't we? That's that major resistance of where it actually stuck. And, oh, that's where it stopped. And then we have a bit of a major support and resistance level down here around, say, the 35, somewhere around about there. Okay, we're having a bit of a pullback right now. Just a little bit of a pullback. And so once again, I believe that this is just a nice little pullback before we start to continue seeing a move to the upside. But don't be trading against this master time frame. You are trading against the wave. It's like you jumping on a strong wave. We're a surfer, and then try to trade against it. You're going to get knocked off the boat most of the times. And same for silver and gold. We're just getting a nice little pullback, I believe. Still a nice little pullback before we continue this overall big bull market. And you can see my long-term trends through here. We do have something going on through here. Is there something going on through there? Maybe? No. Maybe there's something going on through... That was something going on through there. I'm just trying to find... Is there... Maybe there's a middle point on this channel as well. I'm just trying to find... Maybe there is a middle point on that channel there. Oh yeah, there seems like there's a lot of action that's going on through there. Anyway, we still could continue down a bit more, guys, on gold, and also same to silver as well too. Now silver's already had a big pullback down to almost 22, which is a major level of resistance back here. So I believe once again this big movement up is just the start of a big bull market, and we're just getting a pullback right now. See, to me, is it silver and gold mining stocks? Is this the start of is this the start of a boom or a crash? And to me, this is the start. This is the start of a boom. See, to me, I see silver up at $46 in 2 years. Now, if you are going to place a trade or make a position based on what I just said and throw 100% of your money out and this thing goes down, then don't do that, okay, guys? Because no, there's no guarantees. If the stock market goes through a bit of a deflationary period again, which it looks like it's starting to go through that, especially a lot of the banking stocks and so on and so forth, then we may get a bit of a dragging effect across all markets, and then your position may get dragged down as well too. Or what I've just said through there, we may go through a bit of a dragging down period for a while before we continue that. So we may go down for 6 months before we continue the overall big bull market. So please, if you're in a trade right now and you cannot afford to make a loss, get out. Get the hell out of the markets. And then get into a position once you know you're comfortable with the trade and the risk, right? Because that's what it's all about. If you see, you can have a really good trading system, but if you got too much risk, you're going to cause that system to be a bad system. That has nothing to do with the system, right? It has everything to do with you, of how you are a trader. So there we go, guys. That's what I see through there. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Once again, guys, overall, the master time frame is the most important thing we should be looking at to see where that big trend is. And then the daily chart, we have these small little trends in place that happen. If we're not too sure what's going on, always look at the master time frame. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.